Have you ever had information in your Create Studio project that was sensitive and you wanted to blur it out? Well, it is simple to do. Keep watching, and I will show you how.
This is Randy
And Patrick!
with Create Studio 4 tips.
This project has an image that includes both non-sensitive and sensitive material. During the video, I want to blur out only the sensitive information, but not the other information. Drag a second copy onto the canvas or timeline. Hover your mouse over the copy on the canvas and double mouse click. This will allow you to crop the image. Drag the edges to surround the sensitive material. Open the Effects panel by clicking on this icon. Drag the blur effect onto the cropped image. Increase the blur strength until the information is no longer legible. That is really all you need to do. If some of the information is not obscured sufficiently, then move the cropped edges further away from the information. What if the content is a video instead of an image? Place your playhead when the sensitive information is displayed. Select the track in the timeline. Right mouse click and select Take Snapshot. The snapshot will appear in your media folder. Drag the snapshot onto the timeline and expand the snapshot to fill the canvas. Set the length of the snapshot as long as needed. Double-click on the snapshot and move the edges to surround the sensitive material. Drag the blur effect onto the snapshot and increase the blur strength. This is how to blur sensitive content in an image or video. Hey everyone, have a good day and happy creating!